everyone, so today we will see how to make the Jasmine accord. So before, I would like to tell you that you can get the rose accord information in the PGDPCM playlist. Okay, so I have already discussed with you guys. Now we will see the Jasmine accord. So before starting with the accord, I would like to mention something about the perfumery. There are different families. So Jasmine accord comes in case of floral family. So in case of floral families, we can also find it out the white floral one are different, rosy one are different, lavender one are different. So many are there. And also not only the floral families are existing, also there are citrus families, smoky family, leathery family, fruity families, green, balsamic, gourmet, anistic, mint. So there are different like marine, ozonics are there. So you can find the different families. So what we will do is that we will discuss one family and one accord in same video, so that we will cover up everything in perfumery part. So my juniors will also get help from this video, and I hope this is really going to help them a lot. Okay, so now we will start with floral family. So I have made one chart, so I am describing the different ingredients. So there are so many. In case I have just selected the few things which is important for you guys to know, and this is basically a basic knowledge for you guys. And if you want, you can go and search so many things on the internet also. There are some perfumery apps which I can share with you guys. So if you want to see what are the things are added in that particular perfume or in particular duo, that also you can find it out in that particular app. Okay, and you can make your own perfume also. So now we will see the floral family. So we will discuss with the help of the chart. Okay, and after that we will discuss the Jasmine family, in that what we need to add and what are the ingredients should be there. Okay, so let's start. So on screen you can clearly see the floral family chart with the compound name, odor description and uses. Before starting with the families and the odor description, I would like to say that this is my personal opinion about the odor description. Okay, so this can varies according to your perception. So first we will start with the benzyl alcohol, benzene like aromatic perfume. Okay, we can use in case of flavors. Next is the benzyl acetate. Just to remind me how to detect or how to identify this benzyl acetate smell, I am correlating with the Fevicol type, which is not actually like that, but kind of. Okay, so we can use in jasmine or in case of mogra. So both belongs to the same family. Okay, where this benzyl acetate gives stability to your perfume and also it is less expensive. Benzyl propionate is available. Benzyl butyrate. Okay, benzyl salicylate is there. DMBCA, which actually gives you the rosy character. Methyl anthranilate is there, gives you the neroli character. Benzyl phenyl acetate, again it gives the rosy character. So few I'm including in the floral families. Okay, the third is the hedione, which is the considered in the white floral family. Okay, so in case of fine fragrance and flavors, in both we can use this. Next is the dimethyl octanol. It's a fresh juicy citrus. Okay, and also we can use in case of fine fragrances and the flavors. Alpha damascene we can use for fine fragrances and flavors, and alpha damascene, beta damascene and gamma damascene. All three differs because of their chemical structures, so their odor description also changes. So in case of alpha damascene we get the floral rose petal like fruity also smell. Okay, next is the geraniol. Geraniol is a like citrus rosy character, so it is restricted by IFRA guidelines. So what are IFRA guidelines, I will describe you in the next video. Okay, next, that this geraniol we can use in the fine fragrances and also in case of flavors. Next is the alpha enone. There is a beta enone also there, but in case of alpha enone it resembles to sweet, woody and fruity. Also it gives some floral characters, so we can use in the floral fragrance. Okay, and last is the jasmonate. So the name suggests that it will give you the smell like a jasmine flower. It's a kind of lactonic, we can use in flavors and also in fine fragrances. Okay, Now we will see the jasmine accord. So here you can see I have made one chart, and next to that I have made the top note, middle note and base note. So jasmine accords, the main ingredients are benzyl acetate, ACA, HCA, yara yara, hedione, coumarin and lilial. Okay, so these are the basic ingredients. You should or you have to add this to make the jasmine accord. If you want, you can follow this top note, middle note, base note chart. Okay, so first we will see what we can add in case of top note. Okay, so jasmine, okay, sorry, cis jasmine is there, paracrisol is there, paracrisalic acetate we can also add, paracrisalic methyl ether, okay, PEME, so that is also another ingredient, methyl benzoate, indole and C16. So now you will be in confusion why we are adding indole. Indole gives you the animalic note, so you need to add in traces. Okay, so little bit of it, otherwise it will make your blend animalic. Okay, next is middle note. So in case of middle note is nothing but your heart note. Okay, top note is like a head note and base note is the base which will last longer. So before I forget to mention, the top note will be for a few hours, middle note will be for 3 to 4 hours, last longer than the top notes, and the base note will be for longer period than the upper notes, top and middle. So it can remain for 8 hours, 12 hours likewise. Okay, so according to that we have to select all these notes. So in case of top note, you can see that jasmine, indolic, animalic characters, phenolic character we have selected. Okay, chrysalic, phenolic kind of. Okay, in case of middle note, what we are going to add is that methyl anthranilate, hydroxycitronelal, okay, citronellal, methylenone, cyclamen aldehyde, benzyl propionate, lyral, amyl salicylate, benzyl butyrate. So these are the things which we can add in the middle note. Next is the base note. So in case of base note, we can add PCPA, benzyl salicylate, and all type of musk we can add in this, and sandalwood. So I would like to suggest you that sandalwood you can add in case of rose accord, because it is more stable or it is more comfortable with or compatible with the rose accord rather than the jasmine. So as per your convenient you can add this. Okay, hope this video was very helpful and those charts are also helpful for you to make the jasmine accord. Okay, so I would like to end up my video over here. So do like, do subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will come to know when I'm uploading my next video. So goodbye, take care. Mwah.